What's going on, Savage Gang? It's your boy Bad Savage, aka 454 Savage. About to go mess with my Monte Carlo. Probably going to color the wheels on it. My slicks that I got on and go and paint them white. So I'm gonna get back up with y'all when I make it over there. I finally made it back. I done got it out, man. This is what I'm about to do to it right here. I got these pins right here. I was gonna get the kind that's for the tire, but I kind of seen reviews that these Sharpie all base ones, they much brighter, so I paint all the letters on it, making time and slicks. I might even paint these too a little bit, because these done got a little faded and stuff like that, you know. Paint this back on right here too as well. All this. I'm just going with it. I don't read no damn direction. Don't be that hard to just paint some sides. Shake it up. I wish to make it Thompson. I wish they would have came with the white lettering and stuff like that, but obviously it don't. I would have brought it and did it. It's all good. I'm about to paint the motherfucker. Gotta have a steady hand with this. Fucking shell right in the direction. Oh, there you go. Damn. It's coming out, y'all. There you go. I ain't got no steady hand like that, so I know I'm gonna mess up a little bit, but hey, we're gonna give it a try. Let's see. Let's start on this one right here first. Give it that sports look. Hold on, let me get on this. Man, I feel like an artist with this. It's gonna take a little time and stuff, so I'll probably come back again with another updated video. So I'll show y'all how I do. Damn, I done just messed up right there, but I'll wipe that up. But I'm gonna come back with another updated video, y'all. This updated right here. It ain't take me long, probably about 5 minutes to do this right here. I'm gonna let this coat sit. Once I finish this right here, the rest of the letters, I'm gonna let this sit for probably about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna go back over it again to get it that dark bold look. But look how it looks. It ain't hard at all, just gotta follow the outline. I messed up a little bit, but just wipe it down. Gotta wipe it off a little bit. You know, like I said, I ain't no damn artist. But guess what? We're gonna get it right. Gotta follow the outline. I was trying to get it perfect at first, but I ain't gonna really be able to get it perfect. See, look, these letter, love. Don't even take long, love. Few seconds a letter. And sometimes it is better to do it with the tire off the car, but I ain't got time doing all that shit. Had it looking like a real sports car now with the white letters on it. And like I said, this is a good paint marker. You can use the Sharpie. I got it from Walmart, probably about $7, $6. I forgot. I don't want to lie to y'all, but yeah, it was more than $5 for sure. It's worth it though. Y'all trying to get that sports look on y'all tires for y'all cars and stuff, is worth it. For sure. I still got the other tires too as well. But you know, man, these them slick tires, so I was doing a lot of burnouts with them. All this power, this car needs these slicks, man. With all the power this car got with these big tires like this, oh man, it drives way better, much better. So yo, that's all I might paint on this. Just these letters, I don't really want to paint the size of the tires or nothing like that. I could, but I don't know. I'm gonna see how this look to my eye at first, and then I'm gonna probably see what I'm gonna do with these letters. You know, like I said, I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna do the other side as well, but I'm gonna let this sit for probably about 5-10 minutes. Let it dry up. I'm gonna try to clean some of this excess paint that I got on the tire and stuff, and then I'm gonna go over it again. But I'll get back at y'all in a little bit. Yeah, like I said, I'm back, you know. I'm waiting till it dry off. I had did the other side as well. But while I'm gonna let those dry, I'm gonna do these tires right here. I'm gonna just go over here because these kind of cracking and fading a little bit. So it's pretty easy for me to do these. But they already kind of bold, the letters real bold on these. So it's easy for me to trace these. Damn, as soon as I say it's easy, the fucking shit starts leaking already. You see, the lettering on these tires is real bold, so it's all to kind of mess up, even though I just did a little bit. Those other tires right there, they're a little flush. They real flushed on the tire, so it's kind of hard. You gotta be real careful, you know. Yeah. Look, y'all see how I'm doing it right here? Look. All you gotta do is shake that pen a little bit. And I put some gloves on because, man, that shit started getting all over my hand and everything. Got it. Paint like Never Sees. If anybody work in the plants or ever use Never Sees for anything, shit, y'all know that Never Sees get on everything, man. You use a little bit of it and that shit all over you. See how easy, man. Like I said, these letters so bold, it's so easy for me to just run through them easy right here. Easy. Oh yeah, this one coming out real good. What y'all think about it, Savage Gang? How it looking? I'm doing a good job or what? Like I say, I ain't paying no Piscasi, however you say that shit, but guess what? I'm trying to get it right. Well, we gonna get it right, Savage Gang. We gonna get it for sure. By any means. Looking with who? Yeah, this coming out real good. I'm loving how these tires coming out. Like I say, these letters real bold. Look at the letters. See how it's real bold and stuff, man. It's easy for me to just flow through it. Real easy. I wish those Mickey Thompson tires was like this. I wish the lettering was real bold like this. It would have been easy. I'm running through these right here. God damn, what fucker? Oh, the damn pink cap. Oh, man, damn. That's all right. Still gonna make it do what it do, and I got another one too if I need to use it. But this right here, man, it's enough for all 4 tires if you need it. I just got an extra one just in case, you know. And like I said, I will go over it to make it the color real bright and bold. So I don't know if this one gonna make me able to do all 4 tires again, but I got an extra one. Oh yeah. Looking good already, huh, Savage Gang? Y'all wanna make y'all sports car, race car, whatever kind of car y'all got, classic car, antique car. If y'all wanna have that sports look on it, man, this is the way to do it right here. That's the way to do it, man.
Okay. So I got this.
Almost finished with this. This ain't even taking me damn near 5 minutes. Just the finish right here. Yeah, still gotta clean this up a little bit. I'm gonna do that another time. And I got this right here. Oh yeah, came out good. I'm gonna show y'all the other side. Oh yeah. I kind of messed up right here. I ain't know if I wanted to paint this or not, so I'm gonna come back and try to knock that out, man. I'm gonna keep this black or whatever. It just had the letters white. But that's the finished product right there. Oh yeah, it came out good. Now it's giving it that sports look for sure, man. I know I couldn't leave y'all without starting it up one time for y'all. Check it out real quick. I gotta hook that battery up right quick. It don't take too long to hook it up. I only really take it out on the weekends, so you know I don't want to just have the battery terminals connected like that, so I always unplug it, you know. right? Like I said, I couldn't leave y'all without starting it. I know y'all want to see how it running, you feel me? See what it do. That's all I'm gonna give y'all right now. But y'all stay tuned for the next one. I'ma holler at y'all Saturday, gang.